Hey all, welcome back to Diecast Chill with Sabi. And now, stop whatever you are doing because what I have in my hands right now is something completely out of this world. I think so. This is not your regular diecast car, and this is not your everyday Hot Wheels, but this is pure imagination turned into something you can actually hold in your hand. So, let's crack this open and let's see what it's all about. As it says, it has a vehicle, it's a Carnival Steamer, and they have given us some diagram about how you can take this top off from this trailer, and as it comes with the detachable trailer, so it has written. So I was just wondering, does it easy to detach or not? So we got that answer. It's a detachable trailer. Okay, so this is one of the Hot Wheels Wildest casting, which brings a classic old school steam engine vibe. So let's find out, and I'm going to take this diecast car out of this box. So I don't want to destroy the the graphic of the card because that looks really cool, right? So there you go. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I hope I'm doing well right now. Okay, so almost there. Almost. So let's see. It's a little bit tricky to take care of this thing, right? So there you go. So here it comes. Oh, look at this. 1:64 diecast car here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So I think this is exactly what the Hot Wheel does the best with all fantasy cars. With taking this pure imagination and turning it into something real and absolutely incredible. It's not a realistic for sure, it's a fantasy car. Maybe that's what it makes more fun to collect Hot Wheels. So, what are your thoughts about this? So, now let's go a little bit closer and appreciate its designing. Look at that. Wow. Making some sound, I would like to show you my puppy there. Just a minute. Just sitting right beside me. Shh. Hey, Snowy, say hi. Hello. There she was. Okay, so let's talk about this the steamer and the trailer. So I'm going to snap off for a while and let's focus on this one as it has a chrome color with a cute like a umbrella like structure, and it has a big wheels. That sounds good. And they have given a cool detail. How does the steam engine looks like? It's giving like 70s and 80s vibe, this steamer. And only the one seater it is, as you can say. Interior, I think all over the detailing has been done very well. For though I bought this for $5.99, so that was came handy because it was in sale, I think so. So this looks really cool. And let's talk about the trailer. This trailer actually, so let's talk about the trailer. This trailer actually comes with the Carnival vibes. So I'm going a little bit closer to show you the design. This looks like curtains, yeah, like, and this comes off, and you can put. I don't think so. It can hold like two cars. So just a one car is maximum it can hold. That's it. And this car doesn't hold properly at all. I don't know why they gave this one. Like this, for an example, I just put this matchbox, and this holds very well, right? So what a cool set. And it can come off. There you go. There you go. It comes off, and we have here a small, and we have here the one small 1:64 die-cast car, and we got this 1:64 die-cast car. This looks really cool. I think I made a video about it, so you can click the link above. So I showed it. This looks really cool too. So this is what it looks like. It's cool. I think he can hold. Can he hold? No. No, he can't hold. So yeah. And yeah, there you go. Perfect. This is a perfect looking die-cast car, which I really love it, you know. See, look at that. This is the Hot Wheel minifigure, and he can hold, and let's make it 3.